Imagine a car so ahead of its time that it was dubbed the car of tomorrow. Well, meet the rare Tucker 48, a vehicle that's not just a piece of automotive history, but a testament to innovation and a family legacy. Nearly 8 decades ago, Preston Tucker unveiled this futuristic marvel, featuring a distinctive cyclops headlight and a rear engine. Mark Lieberman, a member of the Tucker Automobile Preservation Society, describes it as a unique vehicle in terms of its physical attributes and the way it handles, drives, and operates. But here's where it gets controversial. Preston Tucker designed this car, yet only 51 were produced before he faced trial for securities fraud, leading to the company's bankruptcy. The Tucker 51 was one of 8 car bodies on the line when the factory closed, but it was eventually completed and found its way into the hands of Mike Tucker, Preston's great-grandson. Mike, along with 2 family members and a friend, purchased the Tucker 48 in March after it had been stored in a New Jersey garage for around 15 years. It was a lifelong goal that we finally achieved, Mike Tucker shared. Recently, Mike and his son Ty displayed this rare gem at the Antique Automobile Museum in Hershey. Mike Tucker was thrilled to showcase the car's features, including its innovative safety elements like the crash compartment, a feature that could save lives in an accident. The Tucker story inspired the 1988 Francis Ford Coppola film, Tucker. Mike Tucker expressed his gratitude, saying, "It's great that we had someone of his stature and ability to make a movie about our family, and now everybody knows the story." Despite its age, the Tucker 48 has fewer than 40 miles on the odometer, but it can reach impressive speeds. They claim 130 miles per hour, which at the time would have been one of the fastest production cars, Mike Tucker revealed. When Mike and his family acquired the car, it came with a set of luggage stored in the front, known as the frunk. This was just one of many accessories sold during production, including radios, seat covers, and heaters. While Mike Tucker is happy to talk about the car, he's not so forthcoming about its price. "I'm not going to tell you a lot," he said. Tuckers are often valued at well over $1 million, a testament to their historical significance and rarity. So, what do you think? Is the Tucker 48 a fascinating piece of automotive history, or is its legacy overshadowed by controversy? Share your thoughts in the comments below.